Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you how to make a triangle in Turtle Python. For this you will need Turtle installed and a Python editor. First you need to import Turtle. Now you have to turn the turtle to make the first line. So we turn it right 60 degrees. We then move the turtle 100 steps forward to create the first line. We then turn it again 120 degrees right and move 100 again to make the second line. Finally, you turn it 120 again and move 100 again, and now you have a triangle. Now when you run it, there will be a triangle with a tip in the middle. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I have also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching and bye.